Do you really need a drawing tablet as a digital artist? Now, these are one of the questions being asked by most beginners. Now, to get the right answer to this question, you need to stay to the end of this video. I'll also be showing you guys some art I made with the use of a pen tool in Photoshop and those that I made with the use of a drawing tablet. So stick around.
Get ready.
Now, before we go further, we need to ask ourselves two questions. Now, the first question is, am I making art for fun? That's the first question. Now, the second question is, do I intend to be a professional digital artist? Wow. So those are the two questions you need to ask yourself. Now, the first one. Now, if you intend to make digital art for the fun of it or for personal purpose, it's not necessary you get yourself a drawing tablet. It's not compulsory, but I will advise you to get it so you can really enjoy what you make. The second question, if you intend to go pro as a digital artist, I must strongly advise you to get yourself a drawing tablet. Although you can be a professional using mouse and the pen tool, but for you to really enjoy what you make, I think you should get yourself a drawing tablet as a professional. Alright, I believe by now that most of you must have answered those questions sincerely to yourself. I don't really need to know the answers to those questions, but the fact is that you must answer those questions by yourself sincerely. So let's move on. Now, in this part, I'll be showing you guys some work I made using the pen tool and some work I made using a drawing tablet. So I'll start with the pen tool first of all. So what you can see on your screen right now is actually some art I made using my pen tool in Photoshop. Yes, I started using Photoshop earlier on, but now I use Illustrator. So you can see this art have been made with the pen tool. Now, if you not use the pen tool very well, you'll be able to make art like this or arts that are very much better than this. So let's take a look at this art that we made with pen tool. So you can see, guys, they are looking okay. Now, the next art I'll be showing you guys is actually something that I made with a drawing tablet in Adobe Illustrator. Now, before I show you this art, if this is your first time of you viewing our videos, please subscribe to this channel. If you're yet to subscribe, please make sure you subscribe to our channel. Alright, let's continue. Now, this is it. You can see this art here was made in Adobe Illustrator with a drawing tablet. You can see the way it looks very good, looks very nice. I really love this art. I hope you guys did. If you like it, please comment below. Let's see what you can do. If you like this art, comment. You can see this art is done with a drawing tablet. It looks very so we've come to an end of this video. So I believe by now those of you who watched it to the end must have seen that yes, that we all need to get a drawing tablet. It makes our work very easy. It's very simple to use. It's not difficult to use, not something complex. Something that you're going to enjoy in the long haul. So that will be the end of this video, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.